Weight loss exercises at home. The importance of exercise and regular physical activity is well known. While busy lives and lack of time lead to many of us not being able to inculcate regular exercise in our daily lives, it is important for one to feel more relaxed and energized. This is where weight loss exercises come in. For weight loss exercises at home. It is a common complaint among the working public that there is not enough time for one to go to the gym and work out. However, exercise is a crucial part of anyone's fitness journey, and should not be ignored. Here are a few exercises that one can do at home to achieve their fitness goals. 1. Squats. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your toes facing straight ahead or angled slightly outward. 2. Slowly bend your knees and squat, sending the hips back behind you, while keeping your torso straight and your abs pulled in tight. 3. Keep your knees behind your toes. Make sure everything's pointing in the same direction. 4. Squat as low as you can, and push into your heels to stand up. Squat variations. Squat with one dumbbell. Squat with dumbbells. Barbell squat. Wide leg squat. Front squat. Wall sit. One leg squat. 2. Planks. 1. Lie face down on the mat with your elbows resting on the floor next to your chest. 2. Push your body off the floor in a push-up position with your body resting on your elbows or hands. 3. Contract the abs and keep the body in a straight line from head to toes. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat as many times as you can. 4. For beginners, do this move on your knees and gradually work your way up to balancing on your toes. 3. Lunges. 1. Stand in a split stance, one leg forward, one leg back. 2. Bend your knees and lower your body into a lunge position, keeping the front knee and back knee at 90-degree angles. 3. Keeping the weight in your heels, push back up, slowly, to starting position. 4. Never lock your knees at the top and don't let your knee bend past your toes. 5. Variations include front lunges, back lunges, and side lunges. 6. Do this exercise 2 to 3 times per week for 12 to 16 reps. 4. Push-ups, inclined, for beginners. 1. If you're a beginner or don't have as much upper body strength, this is a good move to start with. 2. Start on all fours with hands a bit wider than the shoulders. 3. Walk the knees back a bit to lean your weight on the hands and flatten the back from the head down to the back of the knees. 4. Pull the abs in and, keeping your back straight, bend the elbows and lower body toward the floor until elbows are at 90-degree angles. 5. Push back up and repeat for 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 16 reps. The best exercises for more way to lose weight, so stay tuned to us. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon.